Triggering on your signal can sometimes be pretty simple, but what happens when you can't trigger on really small signals? Or when the classic edge trigger doesn't fit your needs? The Rhodium's first digital triggering system on the MXO3 series oscilloscopes offers the industry's most sensitive trigger, which helps solve these problems. If you're trying to trigger on a small anomaly in the presence of large signals, like what we're showing on the MXO3 right now, it would be extremely difficult to isolate the event with traditional analog scope triggers. Thankfully, the sensitivity and user-controllable hysteresis of the MXO allows you to capture even the smallest glitches. Trigger hysteresis is the amount of additional amplitude beyond a specified trigger level that a signal must pass through in order for a scope to properly trigger. Here, you can see that the hysteresis, which can be seen by the shaded blue area, is manually set to 2 volts. This would only allow you to trigger on the large signal, as you can see before. By changing the hysteresis value to 0.2 volts, I can now trigger on the smallest signal, like so. And with multiple different trigger modes, including hardware zone trigger, you can find the trigger type that will best capture your signal. Check out an MXO oscilloscope in your lab. See the difference.